Just when you thought Suzuki was done shaking things up, they drop this. The all-new 2026 RM-Z 1050 isn't just a big step forward, it's a bold leap into a whole new class. Whether you ride motocross or live for open trails, this machine is built to blur the lines between power and precision. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the bikes redefining the ride. Design. Right out of the gate, the RM-Z 1050 looks aggressive. It's longer, taller, and wider than anything Suzuki's done in the RM-Z lineup before, and it works. The redesigned frame cuts weight while improving stiffness, and the bodywork flows seamlessly with new radiator shrouds and an integrated seat design for better rider control. The updated yellow and black livery? Clean and classic. Performance. Now, let's talk power. The RM-Z 1050 features a brand new 1050 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, yes, a big bore thumper. Suzuki tuned it for low-end torque and high rev punch, and the result is explosive power delivery across the rev range. A new 6-speed gearbox helps tame that power, and combined with a reworked chassis and upgraded suspension, the bike stays composed whether you're launching off a jump or ripping through desert terrain. Features and technology. Tech-wise, Suzuki's stepping up. The RM-Z 1050 comes with selectable ride modes, launch control, traction assist, and even a lightweight TFT dash, rare in this category. The electronic fuel injection is more responsive than ever, and the updated Showa suspension offers full adjustability for serious tuners. Conclusion. The 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 1050 is more than just an oversized dirt machine, it's a bold new chapter in off-road performance. Big power, smart tech, and classic Suzuki DNA. What do you think? Is this the future of big bore dirt bikes? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more two-wheeled insight every week. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride smart, ride hard.